following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Oconto County, north central Outagamie County, eastern Shawano County, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:46 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gillett to near Navarino Wildlife Area, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Gillett and Navarino Wildlife Area around 7:50 p.m. Pulaski around 8:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Nichols, Pulsifer, Underhill, Briarton, Advance, Stiles, Oconto Falls, Hoffa Park, Rose Lawn, and Zacco. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Oconto, Outagamie, and Shawano. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a special marine warning for southern Bay of Green Bay until 8:45 p.m. At 7:47 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles east of Shawano, moving southeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Green Bay Harbor Entrance Light, Longtail Point Light, and Bayshore Park. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The current